Hey, what's up mga ka-OTAP? This is Otterworks and welcome to my channel. At kung bago kayo sa channel ko, please subscribe to this channel. Just click the red button and the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga future uploads. So before we start the unboxing and review, let's roll the intro. So let's take a look first the accessory of Toxin. So I'm not sure if you can call this accessory since nakakabit siya sa body ni Toxin. But for now, we're just going to call this an accessory because yeah, hindi naman siya nakakabit literally sa katawan ni Toxin. So here's some tentacles ito Toxin. Just a plain red color with the heads may mga dulo ng ibang tentacles niya. So as you can see here, so plain red lang siya, wala siyang details. So siguro maganda to kung mayroong separated color gaya ng ginawa ni Dusty La Cruz. Ito siya. And yep, and here's the other details or the other head. So meron tayo dito nakasarang bibig. And here's the other tentacles. So meron tayo dito naka-huge open mouth, ulo. Okay, and here's some other heads na nakasara. And here's some small tentacles na kailangan din natin ikabit sa likod ng Toxin. Okay, and here's some other one. Okay, so let's go ahead and try to put this one on the back of Toxin. So let's try to put the big tentacles first. So let's put this here, and let's put the other big tentacle here. And now, kabit naman natin yung mga maliliit. So, lagay natin itong isa dito. Ayusin natin. Okay. And for the other one, okay. So, napakadali lang niya ikawit. Ilalagay niyo lang siya doon sa may butas sa likod. And here's Toxin with the tentacles sa likod. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang monstrous nung dating niya, lalo na pag nakakabit yung tentacles sa likod niya. Sobrang angas nun. Para siya si Medusa na may maraming ahas sa ulo. Pero sa kanya nasa likod. Sobrang ganda nun. Okay. So that's the accessory of Toxin. Just the tentacles. There's no alternate hand. Just the tentacles na nakalagay sa likod ni Toxin. So as you can see, napakaganda pa rin naman ang itsura niya. Sobrang angas ng dating niya. So yeah. So that's about it for the accessory of Toxin. Okay, so let's naman go ahead and take a closer look. So tingnan naman natin yung details na mismong figure itself. So as you can see, napaganda ng kahit close up, napakaangas ng itsura ng Toxin. But let's remove the tentacles first so we can check the full details of the figure itself. Okay, let's just focus the camera. Okay, so grabe yung ulo ni Toxin. So meron tayo ditong tentacle sa side ng shoulder niya na may ulo, and on the other side meron tayo pero walang ulo. So meron tayong dalawang tentacles. But for the head, sobrang ganda talaga ng head ni Toxin. And here's the back. Kala mo yung likod ni Bucky nasa likod eh, grabe. May demonyo sa likod eh. But for the head, sobrang detailed, sobrang ganda. And for the body, as you can see, marami siyang ugat-ugat. Kahit sa may leeg niya, marami siyang lumalabas na ugat. Napakaganda nun. Parang galit na galit talaga yung tsura ni Toxin. Okay, so walang masyadong details, walang shading. Just a plain red for the Toxin. But there's a modulation from red to black for the middle of the torso. From upper to lower. And here's the arms. So makikita nyo napakalaki ng arms ni Toxin. So ang ganda ng kamay niya. And as you can see sa body, makikita nyo yung modulation ng red to black. And for the back, so napaka plain black lang. Pero may mga ugat-ugat din siya. Hindi lang masyado kita dahil plain black. Pero for the body itself and for the head, sobrang angas, sobrang ganda. As you can see, may texture yung ulo. And for the hands, wala lang siyang alternate na close piece hands, pero maganda pa rin. So tingnan nyo naman yung dila ni Toxin, para siyang kay Venom Pool na napakahaba. Pero maganda yung separation ng kulay niya, puti from green. And here's the bottom of the feet. Here's the legs, here's the back. So there's no other dito. So napakasimple lang. Just parang Venom na Monster Venom type yung body. So I'm not sure kung pareho nga sila ng body, pero patingin ko pareho sila ng body. So let's now try to put back the tentacles sa katawan ni Toxin sa likod. Ayusin natin. Dito ata ito sa kabila. So ito ka lang dito ata. Ito ka nalaglag. Kabit lang natin itong maliit. Okay. Kabit natin yung isa. Okay. So yeah, as you can see, napakadali lang talaga ikabit ng tentacles sa likod. Just putting in the hole in the back. So tingnan nyo naman itsura niya. Combination with the angry face of Toxin. Sobrang ganda. So sa likod, yeah, ganda talaga to pag may other separated color, lalo na sa mga head. But for now, napakaganda pa rin naman siya. Tingnan nyo naman itsura niya. Galit na galit yung mukha ni Toxin. At tingnan nyo yung separated color ng mata niya. Napakaganda ng details na from black tas white or yellow for the eyeballs. And for the teeth, parang dirty white tapos green na Toxin. So bagay na bagay sa kanya yung pangalan sa dila niya. Okay, so I think that's it for the details of this figure. Let's naman go ahead and take a look the articulation of Toxin. So let's now go ahead and check the articulation of Toxin. So let's start on the head. Okay, so for the head, he can tilt up to this one. So sagad na sagad yun. Napakaganda nun. Lalo na pag naka-crotch siya. And tilt down. Okay, and side by side, very minimal lang. So very minimal, pero rotation, kaya niya mag side by side or 360, pwede rin. And for the arms, he can raise outward up to this one. Okay, so we can the arms can also rotate 360, and there's also a bicep swivel. And for the elbow, we have here a single jointed elbow. And for the hands, we can rotate 360 forward and back. And for the body of Toxin, he can crunch forward up to this one. So ito yung sagad ng crunch forward niya. Lean back. So very minimal lang yung lean back niya, halos parang wala nga. So but this is the lean back of Toxin. And there's a waist swivel or waist rotation. And for the legs, he can split up to this one and kick forward this far and kick backward this far. So napakaganda na kick forward niya sa likod. And for the thigh rotation, we have thigh rotation and double jointed knee. Medyo matigas lang, pero here's the double jointed knee. Okay, so yan yung sagad niya. We also have calf rotation or boot rotation. And for the feet, can forward and back and also rocker. So that's the articulation of Toxin. And let's naman do a size and comparison for this Toxin. So for the size of Toxin, he is stand tall 7.5 inches. So I think 7.5 inches or more than 7.5 inches. But for the size comparison to the other figures, let me go ahead and grab some other figures here. Teka, ayusin lang natin sa Toxin. Okay. So we have here Groot. So mas matangkad ng konti si Groot. And we have here the Build-A-Figure Smart Hawk. So buo na si Smart Hawk ngayon. So meron na tayong ulo ni Hawk. Pero as you can see, mas matangkad pa rin si Hawk at si Groot kumpara kay Toxin. Okay. So that's the size and comparison for this Toxin, Marvel Legends Toxin. So let's go ahead and try to do another size comparison to the other figures. So let me go ahead and grab here Carnage from the Venom Full Wave. So let me go ahead and stand here. and Miles Morales, the Venomized Miles or Carnage. Okay, ayusin lang natin yung paa ni Toxin. Ni Miles. Okay. So as you can see, sobrang grabe yung itsura ni Toxin pag tinabi mo siya doon sa mga normal size na Marvel Legends. Napakalaki nung dating ni Toxin. Sobrang angas nun. Alam siguro kung tatabi natin si Monster Venom dito, kaso wala tayong Monster Venom. Pero that's about it for the size comparison. Try naman natin i-compare to kay Symbiote Spider-Man from the Kingpin Wave. Teka, tayo lang din natin to. And here's some other figure. So this is the movie Venom. Okay, let's go ahead and stand Venom first. Sorry, wait, ayos lang natin yung paa niya at tumutumba-tumba siya. Okay, so as you can see, halos magkasintangkad si Toxin at si movie version Venom. So hindi ko pa ito na-post or hindi ko pa na-upload yung review para sa movie version na Venom, pero I think i-upload natin sa susunod na episode. But for now, this is the size comparison for this movie Venom and Smart Hulk for Toxin. So as you can see, mas matangkad si Smart Hulk at mas konti lang yung nilamang ni Toxin kay Venom. And here's Groot. Isabay na natin siya para sa size comparison. Kaya isang yung camera. Okay. So as you can see, that's the size comparison of Toxin to the other figures. Okay. So I think that's our size in comparison for this figure. And there you have it, Kaotap. That's our unboxing and review for this Marvel Legends Toxin. So napakaganda at napakaangas sa Toxin. So sobrang simple lang. So wala tayong masyadong accessory aside from the tentacles na nasa likod ni Toxin. So mas maganda sana yung nasa likod ni Toxin kung merong separated color yung mga ipin at dila nung nasa ulo ng mga tentacles. But for the total package for the Toxin and the accessory of the Toxin, sobrang ganda nun. Sobrang maangas pa rin naman. So napaka monstrous pa rin naman yung dating ni Toxin. So I think I can rate this Toxin siguro 8 out of 10 dahil wala siyang close fist hands. Pero siguro kung may close fist hands siya, pwede siya maging 9 or 10. But for now, it's 8 out of 10 para sa akin. So that's about it for the review for this Marvel Legends Toxin. So guys, thank you for watching. And guys, please also follow Las De La Cruz Facebook page, D.MoW. So I will just be putting the link of his Facebook page in the description below. So just check that out para makakita kayo ng mga malagagandang custom painted na Gundam as well figures. And as well, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click the red button and the notification bell para updated ko sa mga future uploads ko. And also follow my Facebook page. Nag-i-stream na rin ako ngayon. So if you want to watch my stream, you can visit my Facebook page, Otterworks. So I think that's it. Again guys, Kaotap, thank you for watching. Keep safe and see you on my next video.